This is a very visual coin production. Take your thumb and middle finger and place them on top of each other, and then put the coin inside them as shown. From the front, it looks as if there's nothing in your hand. Now simply push your other two fingers through the hole and grab the coin, producing it. This video was made possible by our sponsor TikTok. TikTok is a media app designed to create and share short videos like the ones you see. If you want to unleash your creativity skills and make fun, different and interesting videos like this, then head over to TikTok and download the app and get creating. Place the coin in the fingertips of your right hand. Come over with your left hand and act as if you're going to grab the coin. Once your fingers cover the coin completely, extend your middle finger slightly and pull back on the coin. This will subtly place it in the middle of your hand. Now simply pretend that the coin has vanished. The magician shows the spectator the King of Diamonds. He waves his hand over that card, and it shrinks down to a mini card. This is called the Erdnase change and is a classic in card magic. Using the palm of your hand, push the top card forward. This will reveal the card beneath it as shown. Using the palm of your hand, pull the card back on the card below it and then push it over the top card. Using your first finger, align the black card with the rest of the deck, whilst you also push the red card on top. This will create the convincing illusion that the top card has just switched colours. This is a knacky move that will require a little practice, but it's very easy to do once you get the hang of it. Now simply perform the same move, but with a mini card already palmed. Make sure it's the same as the top card, and then perform an Erdnase change. It will look as if the card has suddenly shrunk. To perform this vanish, you just need one card. Grip the card between both forefingers as shown. This is a very simple trick to do, as you just need to rotate your wrists upward with speed, and it will look as if the card has vanished. Make sure you rotate the card until it's parallel with the floor. Touch your middle fingers together, and it will hide the card even more. Practice this in front of the mirror for best results.